this one then?
Do you know what? Can't remember.
No. Not know. You could watch hours of YouTube video and see what we said. We probably called it two different things.
Yeah, there's a little bit, not a huge amount, is there?
No.
See, so that'd be the one I'll be. Do you have a wasp? But as soon as you land on the crown board. Yeah, so when I do inspection next week, I'll be one I'm going to take a bit more notice of because it hasn't produced much.
Oh, this one hasn't?
No. So that makes you wonder then, you think, well, they've had plenty of time.
Are they a bit weak, yeah?
Yeah. So that could be one I'll combined.
For the winter?
Yeah. I'm not going to...
No, there's no point overwintering crap, is there?
There isn't. I mean, yeah, it makes absolute sense. A lot of people just won't...
So have you had any honey off this one yet?
No.
No honey off that hive?
No.
Mind you, it could have been an early caught swarm, I suppose, can't it?
Yeah, I know they've definitely had a new queen, but is she laying very well? I doubt it. She had a wall.
No, that wouldn't. That, I was going to say, is that what one we put that live queen in, but I think that's this one, isn't it?
That is...
When we hatched it out. I think it was that one, wasn't it? We put that live queen in.
No, that was actually, that's what it was. That was in that one, wasn't it?
It could well have been, yeah.
That was that one. Because we got the cell from that one there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
So that's what it was. So that was the...
was the
So
queen,
last time I
one.
checked him, it was a while, a month ago.
Oh, that's right, because I asked you, I said, did that queen take, didn't I?
Yeah, and that
you
she
said,
was
yeah,
lying.
that came back. But
Oh well, so we'll see.
yeah, so that was, well, maybe I just hadn't had time to catch up with all the rest. You don't know.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, there's seen quite a few bees in there.
Yeah,
It's not. I mean, they're already up in the super and that. So I mean, it is a brood super as well.
Oh yeah.
So it's a lot bigger space. So that could probably be my fault because perhaps I should have just reduced it down to just a super rather than putting in the brood. You know, so that's just been too big a space for them to do anything with. So this is one of the fort queens.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, so originally these two, this is the one I got from the guy at Ringland Way.
Yeah.
A couple of real nasty ones.
Oh yeah.
And I put the new queens in them, and they seem to be pretty calm. So our genetics has come through. It says. Whoa, look at that.
Yeah.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Mm.
Look at that. So yeah, so that's the fort queens. So there's two supers on there.
That's nearly ready to get them off, isn't it?
Yeah.
A bit angry.
Oh yeah, aren't they still? I don't know whether just because of the
Oh,
time.
you're no squash to food now. There's a wasp.
So that's stinging, they're not happy, are they at all?
No.
Right.
Mind you, it's a bit cold. Well, I didn't say it's cold, but they don't come out till the sun get on them, do they?
Right, I just checked. So that's the there's another bought queen next to it. So yeah. By the way, so on that one you can see the top super. She's not laid in there at all. Didn't
No.
check the second one because they are a bit feisty, aren't they? There's no queen excluded on that one,
No.
and she's not laid
Yeah, so that.
in the
That's
top
not-
box at least. So I probably would say she ain't laid in the bottom one either. So
Yeah.
I swear, you know, whether I'm looking at it through sort of tinted glasses, I think
That's pointless putting a queen. It's
Wow.
so,
it seems to me adding more work.
the other thing is as well, because
Oh yeah, look at that.
you're always removing the supers.
Nice.
The queen ain't really got to get a chance to ever lay in it anyway, is she? If you know what I mean.
No, I mean that.
And if she did, all you'd have to do is remove a frame, innit?
All you do is, so if she, say for example, she ain't laid in that one, because I had a look. Say if she's laid in that one, I put a queen. I make sure she's not in that one. When I do inspection, make sure she's in the brood box. Put the queen excluder on. Then, of course, whatever she's laid in will hatch out.
Yeah.
And then that's it. You can remove it or leave it on, and
leave it on. Or even make a nuke with them, I suppose.
you could, yeah. I mean, so you've got options. I think the queen excluders, I'm going off in big time because I had problems with them.
Yeah, we
You
have
know, I
the
put them
bees
on, they're
coming
not going
through,
up, and I keep thinking they're drawn combs. So people can say, well, is it just foundation? They're not. They're drawn comb, so that should encourage them to go up, but they still will not go up. Look at that. Lovely. No better sight is the.
No, it's nice, isn't it?
Isn't it? That's lovely, isn't it? I love it in this state. These are calmer, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I'd expect when I extract or when I clear these supers and do an inspection, the brood box should be full. They'll start back filling it now. If she slowed down egg laying, they'll start back filling it.
Back filling the brood box for winter, yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, there's a good, so for example, you could say there's good, it's probably a good 15, 20 pounds in it, that super.
Yeah.
So this apiary is done very well. I'll be glad when I go through all of them and do inspections though, just to see what I've got. But I don't think there'll be, touch wood, I don't think there'll be that many problems.
No, they can't.
Because you can kind of spot them, can't you? You can see if they're active. You know, you can tell there's not a problem. You check the super. Why would you know? They're going to be slowing down egg laying now. Some of them, not all, because some of them, like the buckfasts, will just keep on laying as long as they possibly can. Like through the winter, if it's mild, they're going to quit them nukes build up. I don't think there was rarely a break where they stopped laying particularly. But that's in generally the buckfasts and so it's not in all of them. Right, which one did we not check yesterday anymore?
King's Lynn High, or did we check it? I can't remember.
Check that one.